Hey guys, what's up? It's KK here, and today we have our laptop. We're gonna make a slight modification to it. Let's get started. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to add 2 hard drives to one laptop.
HB8460P. Wee.
So here's how this works. Okay, so we have an initial hard drive slot, and this is where our main hard drive goes in. Now I use an SSD on my laptop because it makes it a lot faster. But now I need to plug in my old hard drive into the same laptop without taking that out. So how do I do that? And the answer is quite simple. I take out the useless DVD drive. But how do I fit an hard drive into this thing? This is what a 2.5-inch laptop hard drive looks like. And this is what a 5.25 DVD drive looks like. So now the question is, how do we get this to fit in a place where this initially existed? And the solution is pretty simple. We go with this. Now since I use a HP laptop, I made sure that the converter that I'm getting is exactly identical to my previous DVD drive. And you can find a lot of different converters for different laptops on Amazon and eBay. Some of them have been linked below. So what this thing essentially does is it takes in your hard drive and it converts it into a DVD drive. And then you can plug that in. And now your laptop runs 2 hard drives at once. Yeah! Right now we're gonna see how to add the second hard drive. Let's get started. So first we remove the top cover. Then you unscrew the DVD drive. You just simply pull it out. You take your converter. Carefully connect your hard drive to your converter. Next, you carefully slide the system inside your laptop. And you tighten it back. Put the cap back on. Before attaching the converter to your laptop, make sure you use these screws and you tighten them so that your hard drive does not fall off. Enjoy your laptop running 2 hard drives. Whoa, I remember taking these pictures 2 years ago. Whoa, is that me? Is that me? I wonder what would happen if I pull this hard drive out while it's operating. It's still working fine, huh? The hard drive is still there, but I just took it out. And now all the folders appear blank. Always make sure to put your DVD drive where it belongs.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
Well guys, that's pretty much the only way to have 2 hard drives on one computer. Now you may ask, why would someone need this? So the answer is pretty simple. I run my Windows on a 120 GB SSD. And I have all my data on a 500 gig hard drive. So with this solution, I can use both of them at one time. That's pretty much it for the video. Now make sure you guys check these videos out and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. Why are you still here? Check these out. Subscribe. See you guys next time.